Hey folks, today we're going to be designing scale models of our dream home. The big focus here is that word scale. I want you to focus on the idea that something really big can be represented really small. When you're designing your dream home, you have to consider your needs and the way that your home can reflect those needs and meet them. In my case, I need a lot of room for activities. So you can see that I spent almost half of the space on just a room for activities. I have a large desk, a chair, and a couch in case I want to hang out with my friends. In addition, your dream home has to be under 600 square feet. So in order to meet that criteria, I had to cut some things. You might notice that there's no bedroom in here. I've actually integrated my bed into the floor of my kitchen. This is kind of an abstract idea, I guess, but I thought that it might be nice to save this space in that regard. I've shown you a little bit of my home. Now let's see how you design your dream home.